So the next packing cube that we have is another one from Eagle Creek. So this one to me, it's a compression packing cube that functions the same way, in which you open up the compression packing cube, pack some things in, and then you go ahead and zipper it down so that it takes up less room. So these packing cubes to me that you see from Eagle Creek, these are more of like your weekender packing cubes where you don't plan to be outside for too long, you're not gone for too long, but these function great for camping. So I use these while I'm out camping for a quick 2 or 3 day trip. I have two of them here where one will just fit usually my undergarments and another one will just fit either laundry or clean clothes. But you do have handles. It doesn't get any simpler than this. They're pretty rugged and they also allow somewhat of a see-through transparency for you to see what's inside the packing cube as well. But overall, I'd say this is a great addition. It's not as heavy as other packing cubes. It's ultra light and just makes it, again, easy for a quick weekender trip.